Welcome to Agri-Gadget Picks. A healthy lawn starts with precision cutting, quiet performance, and tools that respect your time, budget, and environment. In this guide, discover how the best hand mower delivers clean results, durability, easy maintenance, and long-term value for every yard owner. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started.
Number 1. LawnMaster LMRM1801 Hand Mower. The LawnMaster LMRM1801 Hand Mower is a practical choice for homeowners who want a clean, precise cut without the hassle of gas, cords, or batteries. Its scissor-like cutting action trims grass blades neatly instead of ripping them, which helps promote a healthier and greener lawn over time. Designed specifically for small lawns, this mower offers 9 adjustable cutting heights ranging from 1.1 inches to 2.5 inches, allowing you to customize your lawn's appearance with ease. The 18-inch deck covers a wider path and fewer passes, while the 10-inch front wheels provide smooth maneuverability around tight corners, flower beds, and walkways. Because it operates without a motor, it's completely eco-friendly and runs silently, making it ideal for early morning or evening mowing without disturbing neighbors. The sturdy build and simple mechanics also mean minimal maintenance and long-term reliability. If you're looking for an efficient, environmentally conscious solution for maintaining a small yard, this reel mower delivers consistent performance with straightforward operation and dependable results. Number 2. American 18-inch Hand Mower. The American 18-inch Hand Mower is a lightweight and efficient option for maintaining small lawns with minimal effort. Featuring a 4-blade reel and a 14-inch cutting width, it provides a clean, scissor-like cut that avoids bruising grass blades and supports healthier growth. Weighing only 19 pounds, this mower is easy to push and maneuver thanks to its durable 8.5-inch polymer wheels that glide smoothly across turf. The adjustable blade height ranges from 0.5 inches to 1.75 inches, making it suitable for most turf grasses and allowing you to tailor the cut to your preference. It performs best when trimming grass up to 4 inches tall and works most efficiently when you mow regularly, cutting no more than 1/3 of the grass blade at a time. As a manual push mower, it operates without gas, electricity, or noise, offering a pollution-free and low-maintenance alternative to powered machines. For homeowners seeking simplicity, affordability, and environmentally friendly lawn care, this reel mower is a reliable, everyday solution.
Number 3. BLACK+DECKER BESTA A512CM Hand Mower. The BLACK+DECKER BESTA A512CM Hand Mower offers versatile lawn care by combining mowing, trimming, and edging functions into one compact machine. Powered by a 6.5 amp motor with power drive transmission, it delivers consistent cutting performance when handling thick grass and stubborn weeds. The 12-inch cutting width and 1.6-inch cutting height make it well-suited for small lawns and tight spaces where precision matters most. With speeds reaching up to 8,000 RPM, it provides efficient results while maintaining control. The automatic feed spool (AFS) system ensures continuous operation without the need for bumping or manual line adjustments, helping you work smoothly and without interruption. Its lightweight design, adjustable handle, and customizable height positions enhance comfort during extended use. A built-in cord retention system prevents accidental unplugging, reducing frustration while working. Ideal for compact yards and detail-oriented trimming tasks, this 3-in-1 unit simplifies lawn maintenance while offering reliable power and practical convenience in a manageable size. Number 4. American 1815 Hand Mower. The American 1815 Hand Mower is built for homeowners who prefer a straightforward and durable lawn care tool. This self-propelled, hand-pushed reel mower features solid construction and sharp blades that deliver a precise scissor-cut action, helping grass heal quickly and grow evenly. The mower's blades are made from heat-treated alloy steel, ensuring long-lasting sharpness and dependable cutting performance season after season. Its manual operation eliminates the need for fuel, cords, or batteries, making it a quiet and environmentally friendly option for maintaining smaller yards. The simple push design allows for easy handling and consistent control, especially when mowing regularly to keep grass at an ideal height. With minimal moving parts and a sturdy frame, the mower requires little maintenance compared to gas-powered alternatives. For homeowners seeking a reliable, low-noise, and eco-conscious solution, the American 1815 provides clean results and dependable performance while keeping lawn care simple and efficient.
Number 5. Scott's 304-14S Hand Mower. The Scott's 304-14S Hand Mower is a lightweight and practical solution for maintaining small lawns with precision and control. Featuring a 14-inch cutting width and a 5-blade reel made from durable heat-treated alloy steel, it delivers a clean, scissor-like cut that helps protect grass blades from damage. The adjustable cutting height ranges from 1/2 inch to 1.75 inches, giving you flexibility to achieve your desired lawn appearance. Its 8.5-inch composite wheels provide steady maneuverability, while the T-style handle with cushioned grip enhances comfort during use. This manual push mower performs best when grass is kept below 3 to 4 inches in height and should ideally be used on dry lawns for an even finish. Regular mowing in smaller increments encourages deeper root growth and healthier turf. With no fuel, cords, or engine maintenance required, it operates quietly and cleanly. For homeowners seeking an affordable and eco-friendly alternative to powered mowers, this reel mower offers dependable and straightforward lawn care. Choosing the right hand mower means investing in cleaner cuts, quieter operation, and a healthier lawn without fuel or electricity. With the right balance of durability, comfort, and performance, you can enjoy reliable results season after season while keeping your yard simple, efficient, and environmentally friendly.